Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Christmas with Crystal. Today we're decorating the fridge for Christmas. Yes, you can decorate your fridge. We're going all over our house. And because this is more of a crafty project than an interior decorating project, I've enlisted the help of my trusty sidekick.
Hi, I'm Tia.
That's my son, Chase. So we're going to show you exactly what you need and how to decorate your refrigerator for Christmas this year. Let's go. So the first thing you have to do is you have to clean your fridge. So you're going to take anything you have on your fridge down. I have a lot of stuff for my kids and stuff. So you're going to take everything down and clean your fridge. So let's do that. All right, now we're going to cover the hat. Now this is literally cut from a pamper box. It's 11 inches by 7 inches, and I have another one that's 7 inches by 8 inches. So the hat looks like this. I'm not sure if you'll see it. Yeah, right. And we put it down like that, and now we're gonna cover these two so that the hat will be the same color as the scarf. So to cover this one, what we want to do, because this is a patterned paper, so we want the pattern to look like it's equal on both sides. So you put your pattern down, you mark it up, and you see how there's a line down here. I'll make sure this is just here. There's a line up there. I'll make sure this is in the center of this. And you see 2 peaks here and 2 peaks there. So we want the pattern to actually be sort of equal on both sides. And now you're going to take your ruler and you're going to just make a mark on this side. It's okay. And just lean it like that. Now you're not going to see behind this at all. So you could make, you don't have to make the cut very neatly. I know some people might be worried about that. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut this out really quickly. And once you have them both cut out like this, what you do is you'll keep it on the right side, find where you centered it really well and make sure it's centered. And then you fold it as if you're going to cover it right now. So make sure that crease is good. Fold it on all sides like if you're going to cover it. And then you're going to turn it over, and you see where your perfect creases are. You're going to rest it down like this. Actually, rest on this side just in case. You never know if you could see through it. And then fold it the other way. So now it's going to be folded perfectly. On the pattern is going to be perfect on the other side. Yeah? So you can see that 2 little peaks popping out there. It's really, really good. So now you're going to just take your tape and tape it down. And I'm going to keep doing this and do the other one. So we're done. We've covered 2 pieces of cardboard, and that's to make his hat. This hat is going to look like this. So I like where this looks here. I think it looks really good. I am just going to make a little mark on the side, so I know where to put my my glue and stick it. So I'm just going to stick some glue here. And the hat is made. Simple. You can cover the back if you want to. You don't have to. I mean, it looks gorgeous just like this. So I have 2 strips of gift paper, both 4.5 inches. One is really equal with the pattern that I have, so it looks really nice. So we'll use this as the sash to go across for the scarf of the snowman. This one we're going to fold in half. Make a fold in half. And we're going to cut it like so. Then we're going to take one piece like this and we're going to measure maybe up, maybe around 2 inches across, 2 inches up on each side. Then take your ruler and mark, put the 0 mark at one of the sides that you put a 2-inch mark on, and half of 4.5 is 2 1/4, so you make a little mark with 2 1/4 inches. And then you make it a mark from here, from the middle, go to the end, and from the middle, and go to the end. So it should look like this for you. And then you're going to put the 2 pieces together with the one that you marked on top, and you're going to cut off that little edge there and make it so that there's a, it looks like this. It looks so cute. That's so gorgeous, right? Now what I want you to do is I want you to grab maybe part of the larger piece of gift paper like this, and I want you to just literally hand cut maybe just 1 inch. So you're not, this doesn't need to be measured. So just cutting off 1 inch and putting them together like this. And then you're doing the same thing we did for the snowman, except you're not measuring it. So you're just gonna cut it like this and like this. Now we have 2 small pieces to go with the hat, and I'll show you what to do with this just now, right? So I think we have everything that we need for a snowman. We have his hat, his nose, his scarf, and all his little eyes and buttons. And let's go and actually put everything together. It is so much fun. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is install the hat. And this is the little hat we made, which is so cute. So we're going to put 2 little flying, like if he has a little sash on his hat here, and those are easy. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take the back of the hat, put 1 here, put 1 there, make sure they look like this, like if it's flying, and grab your tape and just tape them on. Simple. You literally are taping them on to the side. Tape it close to the end of the hat here, so that if you it would look like this. See, so it's flying. It's so cute. And you're putting this to the side of your fridge here. And now we're gonna stick this on. So just take a couple pieces of double-sided tape. And what I like to do, and I know it might seem silly, but I like to stick the tape on my fridge first, and then put the stuff so that I can see kind of where it's going. So I'm sticking it here, and I'm sticking it here. And I'm going to take off the strip that is the sticky side to make it sticky. Literally mark it up like this and stick it down. Okay, so right after installing your hat, we're gonna actually do the scarf for the snowman. So we're gonna put these 2 just like so. So just, you know that this is gonna be 4 inches. So just make sure this can be hidden nicely under the section here. So I have 1 on each side, and make sure it doesn't pass where you have to put the buttons, all right? So I have 2 of them there. I'm gonna literally stick them with a piece of tape, and that's it. I'm probably gonna put a couple more pieces of tape just to secure them really, really well. So I'm gonna put another piece here, and this is totally transparent tape. You do not see it. Once you install it, you literally don't see it. So just put a couple so that it's really secure. You don't want this ever falling down. So you're literally putting a couple pieces, making sure it's nicely done. And then you get your scarf like so. You're lining up your scarf perfectly with this bottom of the fridge here that opens like this. if you have a fridge that opens sideways, it's really the same rules. It's just that you or a side by side fridge as they call it. All you're doing is putting the Snowman on one side of your fridge, and you'll probably have to measure the middle of your fridge to make it work. But once you have one like this, it's really simple because it's already kind of separated for you in half. So you're lining this up and getting it all the way down here, and then taping it down. Literally just sticking it down all the way down. And that's it. It's so cute. And then what you want to do, just to make it secure, probably put one piece in the middle that could probably just fold over on top here, like so. So just halfway, and then fold it over the top. So you see, I can open my fridge nicely and close it, and everything is perfect. You literally can't see this tape. It's clear, you know. So we have everything hanging really nicely, and everything looks really good. So Chase and I have just finished putting all these, all the double-sided tape behind the backs of all of these eyes, nose, mouth, and buttons. So we're gonna do the face now, and then we're gonna do the buttons after. So let's go, Chase. We're done, and this is our Snowman fridge for Christmas. I'm gonna share pictures. Thank you again for spending some time with me while I decorate for Christmas. It's so fun to do little things in your house like this and get the kids involved because he really loved helping me. Did you like it? Do you like the fridge as a snowman? He's pretending to be shy. So again, have fun with it, get the kids involved, and stay tuned for another episode. Remember, visit your local library. I keep forgetting to tell you guys, we're advocates for libraries here. We love reading and love, you know, just going to the library. It's a really nice trip to take the kids and do something fun. All right, so stay crafty, my friends.